one focus, we are one. So guys, can I have a round of applause for our chief guest, His Excellency Ambassador of Hungary, Dr. János Stárnai. Can I have a round of applause for him? So thanks sir for coming here and being a part of such a special occasion, which is so special for Pullman Central Park. So guys, let's kickstart this evening with lot of enthusiasm, and we have these wonderful artifacts all kept around, which is actually curated by Dashmeet Singh. So can I have a round of applause for him? Okay, so let's tell you something about the Pullman also. So Pullman Hotels worldwide, not only in India but worldwide, it is also known as art hotels. So in order to strengthen this, we have come up with this concept, which is the art floor, and we'll also be launching the art lounge here. So guys, let me tell you one more thing. Not only the art artifacts which are kept here, we also have all art present in our housekeeping, our food and beverages, our front office, and we just believe in exceeding the expectations of guests in area and performing our duty just like an artist. So I know you would be waiting that all the wonderful thing, all the mesmerizing things which are here. So let me tell you, the 4 modules are of our art floor here. So first module goes with the Wall of Heavenly Flowers. So guys, it is a solo floral tribute to the day by the world record holder Baljit Chadha, and he have given this wonderful floral painting just outside the port. So you can have a look around it. It's mesmerizing. Then we go to the second module. So the second module is the Silence of Brilliant Minds. It is the initiative with 2 prolonged agenda to express the culture of support and recognition to the specially able artists like Shri Harsha Shukla, Vasudha Rayan and Vibhor Agarwal.